In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts and bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your documents into QuickBooks so they're stored, organized, and ready to match with your transactions. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using your usual login details. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and find the Banking section. Go ahead and click on Banking and then choose Receipts. This Receipts area is where QuickBooks lets you bring in your documents so it can read them and help you categorize them. Now you're on the Receipts page, you have a couple of options for uploading. If your receipts or bills are saved on your computer, look for the option that says Upload from Computer. Click that button and a file browser window will open. From there, navigate to the folder where you've saved your receipt images or PDFs, select the files you want, and confirm to upload. If it feels more natural, you can also drag and drop your files directly onto the Receipts page instead of clicking the button. Open the folder on your computer, select one or several files, then drag them over to the browser window until you see the drop area highlight and release. QuickBooks will start uploading them right away. This is especially handy if you have a bunch of receipts to bring in at once. You also have the option to upload from Google Drive. To do this, select Upload from Google Drive. The first time you do this, QuickBooks will prompt you to connect your Google account. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and allow access. Once connected, you'll be able to browse your Drive folders, choose the receipts or bills you've stored there, and import them directly into QuickBooks without downloading them to your computer first. After your files are uploaded, they'll appear in the For Review section on the Receipts page. This is where QuickBooks analyzes the documents and pulls out key details like the date, the vendor, and the total amount. Take a moment to click into each item, review the information, and make any edits if something doesn't look right. You can then match each uploaded receipt or bill to an existing transaction or create a new one if needed. Once you've reviewed and matched them, your receipts and bills are fully integrated into your QuickBooks records, making your books cleaner, more accurate, and much easier